Welcome to Rooah. We specialize in helping businesses struggling with brand visibility get seen and heard online. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our comprehensive web development service, the SimplePlan Business. Why do we call it the Simple Plan? Because we make it simple for you to establish a strong online presence, reach your target audience, and start earning online. In this digital age, not having a website could result in a loss of sales and reduced brand visibility. It could make finding and retaining customers a challenge. So, what does the SimplePlan Business package offer? For an initial down payment of just $399, which includes your first month's payment, we begin crafting a custom website tailored to your business needs. Our support doesn't stop there. We provide free website hosting, maintenance, and security services for the first 12 months. To enhance your online visibility, we include SEO services and regular SEO-optimized blog content in the package. You'll receive 3 initial blog posts, followed by a new post each month for the first year. This strategy is designed to increase your website's traffic, boost domain authority, and improve your search engine rankings. Security is vital. That's why we include a free SSL certificate, auto-renewed monthly, to ensure your website and customers' data are secure. But we don't stop at website development. Our SimplePlan Business offers several add-on features to customize your website further. These include a CRM tailored for your business, an events calendar, an appointment booking management system, and an online store for your e-commerce services and products. If you need personalized email solutions, we've got you covered with our add-on email service. So, what are the benefits of the SimplePlan Business? Increased online brand visibility, efficient website management, enhanced user experience for your customers, and fast, reliable support when you need it. We're committed to delivering a comprehensive package that aligns with your business objectives and budget. Ready to take the next step? Sign up for the SimplePlan Business today. Our team of experts will handle everything from web design to SEO-rich content creation, getting you seen online quickly. Trust us, your business will thank you. Get in touch with us and start your online success story today.